My name is Trista Rama. I am 16 years old and I'm from Isani, Minnesota. I am a junior at Cambridge Isani High School and have a GPA of 3.68. I'm planning on attending college and to major in music education.
Watch my sister bowl because she always started in the league, and I eventually joined in as well. I always thought it was fun, and I just continue to strive to do my best. I believe that the strongest part of my game is how determined I am and all the lessons I've learned throughout bowling. If I fail, I know that I can get back up from it and learn from my mistakes, and as long as I'm determined, I know that I can keep going and pushing forward to be the best bowler I can.
I was the Minnesota U15 Pepsi Girls Champion, the most outstanding player in the Girls High School Metro North Conference. I also qualified for my first junior gold and placed 64th out of 360 girls.
The thing that I was most proud of in 2019 was how I was the state champion for girls inaugural singles.
I have been bowling for a little over 10 years now and would really love to keep bowling at the college level. My highest sanction average is a 185, my highest sanctioned game is a 268, and my highest sanctioned series is a 688. I am extremely proud to say that 2019 was a great year for me.